My name is Syed Asad Ahmed and I am teaching O and A level mathematics at Cambridge Grads Academy, and we've brought for you your O and A level shortcut. Get exam ready in just 90 days.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rohan Ahmed and I've been teaching O and A levels physics at CGA. Join our online crash course and get exam ready in just 90 days.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aman Ali and I teach O and A levels chemistry at Cambridge Grads Academy. We bring you live and recorded lectures to get you exam ready in 90 days.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Khadija Farhan and I teach O and A levels biology at CGA. So we are starting our 90 days online crash course plan. If you want to ace the 2025 CAI session, enlist your name now.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Raza and I'll be taking Pakistan studies. This year, this would be my 12th batch appearing for May June 2025. So this is your chance to grab your seat at CG Online, where we are starting our crash course from 15th October. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Samina Wasim. I teach Urdu O and A level at CGA, Urdu O level 3248 and IGCSE 0539. We are starting our 90 days crash course. And if you want to get good results, join now.